Oh shit.
Crap, this is so bad.
Ah!
I don't know what else to change.
5 seconds! I have just made a sex toy, really. Wait, what are we doing first? We're doing
the mouse.
1 second.
We're doing the mouse. I'm gonna time
Hey,
this up.
Actually, I'll be back.
Yeah, no problem. Dan will be back in a sec, folks. Design render.
Alright, where was I?
Render.
Alright. So, what, we're doing 10 minutes of a computer mouse?
I set the timer to 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Shit!
5 minutes, what the heck?
Alright, we're doing a computer mouse in 5 minutes. Works for me.
I could quickly make another timer, but it'll take me a little while.
I'm just gonna do one of those Microsoft Surface mice where it's just like a stretched cylinder. It's a mouse, so, you know, it works. So
I could do like an Apple mouse.
Fuck, I was gonna say.
Microsoft versus Apple.
Microsoft mouse is even worse.
I'm playing esports
Alright.
mouse.
Do you want me to start that timer then? Do you want me to start the timer for our mouse warm up?
Yep, sure.
Alright.
Pull up with the mice.
Oh my god. Mel
What?
Gibson called Winona Ryder
And
an
go.
oven dodger.
What?
An oven
Jeez.
what?
Jewish.
Jeez. So, I don't know how you're starting yours, Jason.
Don't really
but
have a
I'm starting
plan.
mine. I'm
It's
wait.
fucking Jewish.
Oh my god, it really is 5 minutes. Oh no.
I really don't have much of a plan. To be honest. I feel
Oh,
like I
you
should have
should've
come in
thought
with
that.
this with a plan. I did not.
It's incomplete. Hey,
I currently have a bread loaf.
Garlic bread.
Oh hell yeah. Had some garlic bread last night. Good time.
billing address is required. What?
What are you buying this time, Joe?
Oh, just some cloth face masks. If I ever need to go to the city for work.
It's not a bad idea. If you need masks, I've got some.
Oh, I don't really want to use the N95s unless it's actually necessary.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
4 none. 4. That's insane.
What are you talking about?
None.
Naan?
Yeah.
What
None
about
of your business.
Oh! Fuck you.
Zing! Quick wit.
This is terrible.
Yeah, this is a terrible idea.
For 5 minutes, it's not enough time to make a computer mouse.
It's not enough time to make really anything. I can't think of anything that would work for 5 minutes.
I'm gonna try anyway, though.
Looks
I know,
like
I know we're down to 3 minutes, but
looks like one of the transport pods in Logan's Run.
what was that?
Looks like one of the transport pods in Logan's Run.
Yeah.
let's see.
Which one?
Both of them.
Okay, I was gonna say, yeah, why is the bottom of the mouse not flat?
Well, it is now. Okay, fuck off.
It's a revolutionary
It's a
mouse.
process, Joe. It's a process.
I wanted to do it your way, Dan, but I just not fast enough. It was just so risky.
My way.
That's like eating wheat and saying, why doesn't it taste like bread?
What was that, Jez?
Saying, why isn't the bottom of the mouse flat? It's like eating wheat and saying, why doesn't it taste like bread?
Yeah. Close. Oh shit, this is taking way too long. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Oh no, the shelling isn't working either! Oh, this is a fucking disaster. Jeremy, come on, with your expertise in CAD, how did I go wrong here?
You didn't reverse the polarity of the neutron flow.
Yes. I'm glad you think we're that smart.
I don't think that statement means anything.
Oh,
Just looked up.
It can if you need it to
okay.
be.
what the fuck is going on here? This is not enough time.
You have a minute 30 to do, I don't know. Jason has made the tip of penis.
I think we both have.
I really have.
That's sliced in half.
So
Penis.
bad.
My comment is relevant. My
I
comment is
just
relevant.
need to get the service.
It's
the
so
service that
bad.
matters.
It's
That
so
is horrible.
bad.
Yeah,
So
because I'm
bad.
gonna make the case first. Ah!
He doesn't have time to do the circuitry.
The circuitry.
Yeah, I was like, when I do a CAD model, when I'm doing a CAD model, I'm thinking about everything that's going on with it. Oh shit.
Crap, this is so bad.
Ah!
I don't know what else to change.
45 seconds! I have just made a sex toy, really.
Nah.
Now,
Now that when it's black, it looks more like a mouse.
I don't know, it's pretty shiny.
I'm doing it.
Remember,
I'm
we
doing
can
it
we can render at the end. Remember?
I'm
If
doing
I
it
looked
all.
at that without
Okay,
knowing
that
what it
looks
was,
much better.
yeah. If
There
I
we
looked at
go.
that, I'd
That looks
Yeah,
like
it
it
was
was
a mouse.
made about 30 years ago.
Scroll wheels don't exist yet. Rick!
Oh yeah, true scroll wheels.
Oh, Jason's putting gaming holes in his.
You got 10 seconds.
I didn't know what else to do. Yeah, we'll let it render
Is it
after the
gaming
fact.
holes
It's fine.
or gaming bumped? Oh,
Alright,
Thumbs up.
can you? Yeah, time.
Yeah.
Can you 3D print these and see who
and
made
they're
them
trying
now?
to see the ergonomics of them.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just fucking around. Jason, you can't. Wait, what? Jason, what
We
is
can
that?
we can remember.
Yeah, we can change.
Yeah, you can change the color and shit.
Yeah.
What do you think I was doing?
That's pretty good for 5 minutes.
How'd you get that scroll wheel in so fast?
Oh, dude, I did that in like 10 seconds. And that's on my computer as well, when it like lags out after every process.
Oh my god, this is shocking.
Like, have like a nice environment to put it in. Here we are. Just throw it in the desert.
It'll work.
It deserves it. It looks like a bug. This looks like a scene from
What are those
Blood
things on the side that are shiny? I don't know what.
Yeah, Jason, is that a ladybug?
Why is mine coming out yellow?
Yeah, it's because we've got ABS, right?
Yeah.
On ABS, when you have translucency applied, it does that shit. So if you turn that off, it should be nice and white. There we go. Mine looks like some creature that he eats off
Really? It
the
doesn't look like a
it's
mouse
off.
just sitting in the desert.
eats off the salt lake. Yeah, I'm gonna change that back to a nice cool room.
Alright.
I'm not going to accept votes on this.
Nah, put up the vote bot.
Dude, there's like 2 people to vote.
I don't even know what I'm looking at.
We still need a winner. We need to have one. We can make like graphics with like winners and little charts and stuff.
You know what? You know you want to vote for mine now.
I don't.
Hey!
You know you want to vote.
Love those.
You know. I call it the Red Rocket.
I'm loading up the poll vote bot now.
No one's going to vote, Jason.
It doesn't matter.
They're not worthy of votes.
Alright, fine. I need to load it up for later anyways. For some reason it takes ages to load.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
Oh, that's because I'm rendering.
Brad is just, he's being a rebel tonight. Really just,
He really is.
Pause.
oh, he has a cause. Alright, Moonlander.
Yes!
Follow Moon.
Vote for yourself.
You vote.
He voted for himself using CAD Battle.
Yes!
Benson is declared the winner.
No.
Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you for your thoughts and prayers.
Alright, Dan obviously won that one.
I was tabbed out, so I.
Of course you were.
Jason, get up a
On Reddit.
picture of the lander.
Yeah. I have that all set up. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, we're doing the lunar, what is it, the Apollo 11 module.
Oh, why don't you do the SpaceX one?
thought SpaceX is private and lame.